This is the Touchstone 40-inch wide fireplace that I got from modernblaze.com. Extremely happy with the fireplace. Love the way that it fits together with the built-in bookshelves and into our fireplace mantle. Instructions were incredibly easy to use. Very specific when it came to the size of the hole needed to fit into the mantle. I was able to build this around extremely quickly with great information. Working with modernblaze.com was fantastic. Great customer service. They called me a couple days after delivery to make sure everything came in a timely manner, make sure everything was working correctly, which it was. No issues at all. Could not be more impressed with Modern Blaze. Absolutely love the fireplace. I'd rate it a 9 out of 10. Heater works great, looks fantastic. We went with the wood logs inside it. Also came with white stones and clear stones as well. The glass panel is extremely easy to remove if we ever want to change anything inside it or change the different colors. Really could not be more happy with this fireplace.